All right, hello and welcome. This will be a tutorial on how to create your own AI in nonhuman.dev. You're here in the on the homepage, and let's go on my profile. And here you see all your games, and you see this button here, create a new AI. We click it, easy as that. And here we begin. It is really, really simple. We try to make it as simple as possible, but I will explain it. This is the title. The title of the game is what you can see here. This is the title, trauma therapy for this AI, and here I can create my own name. The description. Let's go on this AI. You will see the description. The description is down here. What you can see here, you can type it in. Yes. Um, the picture of the AI is this. It's also on the front page. What you see on the Discover page, where you see all the AIs, is just for, you know, so everybody finds your AI and clicks on it. Um, let's put this away. Let's put this away. All right. The AI editor. Here is what really creates your own AI through prompt engineering. So this means I can here write what the AI should do, and this will be sent in the background, so the user won't see this. This is just what you as a creator know. For example, you are my smart. Yes, I hope I hope I wrote it right. Yeah, for sure, for sure. But you surely get it. Yeah, you are my assistant, and now the AI is acting like an assistant, or you are my smart friend now, and now uh, the AI acts like he's your smart friend. Um, yeah, this should help. You can do characteristics for the AI. You can go deep into it. You can write many words. I don't know how much, but you can write enough. Yeah. Here is the next thing is the precision or creativity of the AI. I for normal use cases I would leave it at 1 or at 0.8, or maybe 0.6, just for casual use, like you would use ChatGPT for, I don't know, regular questions. But if you really want, for example, a creative character, maybe that's in a role that's role playing with you, then maybe you would want the precision to be on the highest. It will be much more creative. But if you just want him to ask facts or questions, then the precision should be on here, on 0. Let's come to the advanced settings for most of you. I don't think will be relevant. You shouldn't even change it, I would say, for most use cases. Um, but for example, this first one, the AI will remember the last 8 messages. That's just the standard. And of course, for many use cases, maybe you could go to 12 or lower if you really don't want him to remember almost anything, just the last message. Could also be useful in some cases, but don't really go that high. Here's the attention message that I wrote here for the people to know that if if the AI gets too many messages, then he won't remember that much from the messages. So because they are too long, there's too many things that you send to the AI, and I made it so it has a limit, you know. Um, it has a limit, so made a limit. Can't be endless. And if you have the AI, you wrote him, "Ayo, answer not that long messages, just short messages," then you can increase the last messages, right? That he will remember. But for most use cases, you know, if you don't want long answers, you can go a little bit further. But for the most use cases, maybe um, 8 to 10 will be more than enough for from casual talking, you know. But sometimes you want the character to remember um, things, so you can go higher, but just keep in mind that then maybe they won't remember that much. You know, it is good to try out if what works for you the best, what AI you like the most. Try it with more messages, message them a little bit, see if it's alright, if it's or it's not enough and he needs to remember more. This is very important. The max output length, you can keep it on max for most use cases. You can make it shorter if you have more messages, for example, but keep in mind, the AI doesn't really know what the output length is for the AI. So even if you have it on short, but the user say to the AI, yo, give me back a really 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 long message, um, then maybe the maximum output length won't be held. The AI won't answer a short answer. It still wants to answer the long answer, but it will be cut off. So keep that in mind. But sometimes it is useful. Um, but in most cases, I would not change it. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Give your AI a background. This can be confusing, but if you played one of these AIs, let's click on drama therapy. Oh, this is the background. This image what I have here is the background, and you can change it for every AI. Um, the font, there are many fonts, not so many. Maybe there will come some more, but for the beginning, I think this is good. Maybe if you have recommendation what I can add, then feel free to comment or give me feedback on social media. Yeah, but the font is um, the font what the chat will have. For example, we have here the basic font. You see, um, but you can the basic is Arial. Yes, yes, it's this. But you can change it, to get a different vibe if you have a different AI, or maybe you want him to be a robot, then you can make some of these or futuristic. It's up to you. Give your AI a background sound. This is important because for most use cases, I would not recommend to do this because if you chat with the AI, usually you don't need a sound, but sometimes it can be really cool. So keep that in mind. It can be muted the AI, but yeah, for you can give it the background sound. Some for some characters, this could be a really cool feature, but usually not important. AI guide. This will be the first message the user sees, um, and it looks like the AI sent it to him, but the AI did not send it to him. It's just written as a guide, and it also will be seen in and this will also be seen on the settings inside the AI chat. Um, so keep it in mind. If you want a guide, you can always write it here, or if you just want a first message for the user to see, so that he's not the one first interacting, then you can also put it in here. But keep in mind that the AI doesn't know what's inside the AI guide, just so you know. Category is for searches, so when people want to search something, then you can give your AI category, and yeah, it will help them find your game, your AI better. All right, uh, AI pop-up. What's that? The AI pop-up is a pop-up that you can add, and for example, let's give it an image. Um, yes. For example, I made this a pop-up. I can write here keyword hello, for example. And if the AI is writing hello, or you can also do multiple keywords, hello or hi, this pop-up will show up. This means this pop-up will show up for the user to see. And you can also do text here. Um, hello, new live. Yeah, this will be seen uh, also here. Let's make it more inside the bubble. Yes, it's much more cooler. Um, yeah, this is just a cool feature. Can be used to to give the user more information, or yeah, can be used in many different ways. Um, and if you have done all these things, then you have your own created AI on non-human dev. This should be everything. Thank you for listening. And on social media, you can write me um, and tell me what the AI would need more or less. You know, and this was it, I think. And now you can create your own AI in nonhuman.dev. Yes.